Modal verbs help us talk about possibilities. Today we learn about might. Might shows low possibility, around 30 to 40% chance. It means something may be possible but not very likely. Use might when you think something could happen but probably will not. Might expresses low possibility, between 30 and 50% chance. Something may be possible but not very likely to happen. The structure is simple: subject plus might plus base verb. For negative, use might not plus base verb. Same structure, just add not. Listen to these examples. You might come to the party tonight. It might rain later, take an umbrella. She might not finish the project on time. They might be at the office. I might try the new restaurant this weekend. Notice might always followed by base verb. May shows about 50% possibility, medium chance. Might shows around 40%, low possibility. Could shows only 20%, very low chance. Might sits between may and could for possibility strength. Each modal has different probability level. Practice filling blanks with might. It might rain tomorrow, so take a jacket. She might not come to the meeting today. They might be busy right now. I might visit my grandparents this weekend. You might want to try the new cafe downtown. All answers use might. Negative form is might not plus base verb. Same low probability but opposite meaning. Structure stays simple: subject plus might not plus verb. Examples: she might not call, it might not work, we might not win. Might not shows something probably will not happen. More practice sentences. Might you please open the window? He might have forgotten about the meeting. We might not get there on time. There might be a delay due to traffic. I might go for a run later. These show different ways to use might correctly. Remember these key points. Might shows low possibility, around 40%. Structure is subject plus might plus base verb. Might not makes negative form. Use for future and present possibilities. Practice with weather, uncertain plans, polite suggestions. Might expresses uncertain possibilities.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.